Hey everybody, welcome to my latest video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background in DaVinci Resolve using the Delta keyer. And we're going to go ahead and load a clip into our media area that we would like to remove a background to. So today I'm going to show you how to add a subscribe button. I'll try to link this subscribe button down into the video description. You just kind of want to pull this in wherever you want it into the video at. Now you want to go ahead and highlight this and get a good picture of the thing you want to draw the background out for. So we're going to stop it right here. We got a full green, so we want to make sure this is highlighted. Now we want to drop down here and hit the Fusion button. When we're in Fusion here, we want to hit Control Space. Type in Delta or Delta keyer. I already have it typed in here. We're going to hit Add. We'll already automatically add it into our line down here to the media out. Want to go ahead and right click the button. Come up here. We'll choose our background color. We're going to go with green. That removes the green color. We want to hit OK. Or you can do the eyedropper to pick your color and remove that background also. Now you want to come over here to the matte and kind of mess with your threshold. Make sure you get that grayish looking area out from behind your screen here. So we like the picture we have here. We'll go ahead and play this out. Now we have a good subscribe button. Let's go ahead and head back over to the edit area. Now when we have our subscribe button here, we want to go ahead and make sure we move it wherever we want it and size it out the way we want it. So keep it highlighted. Click the transformation button, go to crop. We'll go ahead and crop it down to a smaller size. Ever so much have our background out here. So now we'll go back to the transformation button. Transformation, we'll move it wherever we want. I'm going to move it down here in the right corner. And we'll just grab this corner here to make it the size we want. Therefore, we place it wherever we want it here. Go ahead and click the crop button again, or the transformation button, and now let's play it out. There we have added a subscribe button, and we removed a green screen background. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment on the video, and I will answer them the best I can. And like I said, I will try to link a copy to this video so you can put the subscribe button into your videos. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next one.